Shopify. How to integrate with Shopify. If you want to link your Shopify store with PrintKK, you need to have both PrintKK and Shopify accounts. 1. Log into your account and access your dashboard. 2. Go to Store and Store Settings. 3. Locate the Shopify. 4. Add a new store. 5. Locate and click the print will be redirected to Shopify's App Store page. 6. Access your Shopify account. If you are already logged in, you can directly install. 7. Installing the app. And each Shopify store can only be linked to one PrintKK account. Shopify, how to publish my products to store. If you want to publish products to Shopify, you need to have both PrintKK and Shopify accounts. And link your store with PrintKK. Method 1. Publishing from Designs, My Designs. 1. Access your dashboard. 2. Go to Designs and My Designs. 3. Before publishing, you need to design the product first. If you have already designed the product, you can proceed to the next step. For you can also add branded products to your product here and select the product you want to publish. 5. Click on Publish. Select the store. Edit your products and design your pages. 6. Successfully publish products to Shopify. Method 2. Publishing from Stores, Shopify. 1. Access your dashboard. Go to Stores, Shopify, Draft Add Design to select the design and the store you want to publish. 3. Edit your products and design your pages. 4. Click on Publish. After published, you can see this product in Shopify and edit it. Change the status from draft to active.